Hey students, I hope you're doing well. It's Mrs. Merrill here to bring you Tuesday, May 5th's assignments. Notice that we're at our course page right now and we have a new summer reading announcement. Please be sure that you read through this announcement, okay? So this is for OMS Digital Reading Extravaganza Summer Reading Announcement. It says, in an effort to continue our goal of excellence in learning for all students, all rising 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students at Osborne Middle School are encouraged to read 2 or more books, whether it be fiction or nonfiction, of their choosing this summer. Because of the restrictions placed on us by COVID-19 pandemic, the program is not mandatory, but readers will be celebrated. So guys, you just heard that summer reading for the next school year is not mandatory like it has been in the past. However, we still want you to read throughout the summer, and we are going to celebrate all of those who read. There are further directions that you can read in this announcement right here, and your parents can check out the Osborne Observer. They can reach out to Miss Mosley in our media center, and they can reach out to me as well. Okay, so definitely check out the summer reading extravaganza, and hopefully you guys will participate in that. However, let's get started with our Tuesday, May 5th announcement. I am going to go over to our calendar and I'm going to click on it. Notice that my cursor today is a comet and the world because our cursor for today is going to connect to our poem. Okay, so here we are. Obviously, it shows you May 4th, but just remember that I put all of our slides together. So I'm going to expand this. It has all of our links for Tuesday, May 5th, second period, third period, and fourth period. Let's go ahead and click on third period today, and it will bring us over to the assignment for Tuesday, May 5th. And our poem today is titled This World. I hope you really enjoyed Monday's poem of Twice I Walked with Dinosaurs, and we are going to continue with poetry throughout the week. Here are our learning targets. I'm not going to read through those. If you guys want to read through those, you can, but they are very similar to yesterday's learning targets, okay? I'm just going to get started with our assignments for today. So right here it says, students, I hope you enjoyed the poem yesterday. Today you will read another poem titled This World. You will continue to read poetry in order to cite information and evaluate and analyze the meaning, theme, tone, figurative language, and much more. As you read each piece of poetry, be sure to annotate and take notes. Read each piece of poetry more than once to gain a better understanding. And remember, the more you read a piece of literature, the better you understand it. As you read This World today, you will focus on the impact of emotional words, the author's tone, figurative language, and much more. Here are your step-by-step instructions for Tuesday. First, I would like you to review Monday's assignment. This is not required but suggested. So if you want to listen to the questions and answers being reviewed for Twice I Walked with Dinosaurs, you can come over here and click this video right here. And it is a review video where I go over every single question and every single correct answer and why they're correct. I also go over some of the other answers as to why they were incorrect, okay? So I highly suggest that you do that. Also, here is our new assignment. For today, you will read the poem This World and think about the author's tone and what she is trying to convey or show. Here is the Google Doc right here, This World by Mary Oliver. You do not need to request access for this. It is not in view only mode for me, but it will be for you. So you do not need to request access, okay? Here is your poem and go ahead and you can read it. Then, when you're done reading, you will watch the May 5th instructional video that goes over the poem This World. Miss Lynn does a fantastic job reviewing this poem, and she goes over it in detail. You will find that this poem, This World, is a lot longer and more complex than the poem you read on Monday. So it would definitely be beneficial for you to watch her instructional video because she does a really, really great job annotating and commenting and giving you some great insight, okay? Then when you are done reading the poem here and watching Miss Lynn's instructional video here, you will then click on the This World dependent text-dependent questions Google form and complete the 10 multiple choice questions. So unlike Monday's assignment where there were only 5 questions, there are now 10 multiple choice questions. So you can click on this form right here, and you will see that you have This World text-dependent questions. You can obtain the passage right here by this link. Please put your first name, your last name, and choose your period in the drop-down menu. Here is the poem embedded for you, This World. See, I have my This World cursor right next to it. And then notice right here, I have a link for a read aloud of the questions and answer choices. So it's just audio of the questions and answer choices right here. And then you have questions 1 and 2, questions 3 and 4, which connect, questions 5 and 6, which connect, 7 and 8, which connect, and 9 and 10, which connect. Okay, so once you're done with that, make sure you click submit right here. So again, you have a day of poetry to read and analyze poetry and understand it. You have an instructional video, and then you have a Google form to complete. So it seems like a pretty simple day, and it is. However, this is a much more complex poem than the previous day. So be sure to read the poem through more than once. Be sure to watch Miss Lynn's instructional video. Like I said, she does an excellent job of analyzing the poem with you, and then complete the Google form right here. If you have any questions about anything, please reach out to me. I hope you guys are doing really well, and I miss you lots. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye, guys.